Hey, David here. We're going to fly the Slow Stick Ultralight with the head tracker with the Walk Snail GM3. And we're going to do something new today. I've been working on this for a little while, working on a GPS home tracker and a little watch display right here. My initial testing now, it's a little blurry in the camera because it's a little too close, but this is just ground testing. But I'm thinking of moving it out here in my next test to get a little further out. And the idea here, this GPS homer, track your home position around your craft and like a radar display. So as you turn, the home position will rotate around. And so your craft arrow is in the middle of the screen, which I'll try to show. Well, home is going to float around, as well as the north arrow indicator that is around the outer edge. Anyway, we're going to give it a try. If there is some interest in something like this, I am going to probably share it, and then so you can make your own. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you enjoy it, and we'll show you a little bit more. Oh, yeah.
Armed.
Okay, armed. Okay, I'm gonna reset home by double tap here. All right. And there's James, my spotter. All right, we're armed, ready to go. Here we go. Okay, look at home. It's right behind us. The green arrow that's appearing on the outside is pointing north. The number at the top is distance in feet from home. Oh, I forgot to turn off the breadcrumbs. So I've been playing with tracking the position, and it's just now cluttering up the screen. I got to turn that off. Okay, it's displaying distance from home in the radar. The blue arrow in the center just represents the craft. Right down there is how fast we're going. It looks like it's blurry, but it's 20 miles an hour. So look at the sunset. Okay.
8 minutes.
Well, I know I probably should have turned off that breadcrumb, because look at it, it's just hurting that score that I was playing with adding that ability.
Oh, yeah,
so now, see the home
Yep.
is now at the top of the screen?
Yep.
We're headed right towards home. So in that turn, when we go over right here, home is going to get close and it'll go right under us.
How do I escape out of the menu?
Hit the middle button.
Oh, the middle one, okay. Yeah, other than the breadcrumbs, it looks wonderful.
Yeah. That's the radar display. So showing north is the green arrow.
Yep.
So I also have the radar rings expanding. They default to, I think,
7 minutes.
100 meters or something like that. We're at 250 feet, 260 here.
There's the park.
Nope. And there is nobody over there. Totally empty. So even in flight, I have a summary that I can look at, put it back.
Air's pretty quiet up there.
Yeah, it's not bad. See the home position's pointing right down there where the...
Yep, that's where we're at.
So I think the sun is below the horizon. We're just seeing the glow.
Well, I've had,
So we're coming right up on home. Look at that.
yep,
100
right underneath you.
right there.
Amazing.
12 feet. So this has been kind of fun to develop. This is a watch display. And I'm using a Raspberry Pi, an RP2040 Zero board, which is really small with a USB-C, and connecting it to a standard BN220 GPS. So I'm going to go to summary. I'll go back, it'll clear the screen. All right, I'm powered off. We're just gliding right now. So we're hitting right over home right there. Boom, test. It's good. Look at the home dot clears the screen. That's funny. All right, let's do a low pass flyby here, coming under the lamp post.
1 minute. Telemetry.
So let's look at the summary.
That is awesome.
Tells me the...
That's phenomenal. That really is. That is really cool.
Yeah, that's fun. Take a picture of that real quick.
Have you
Hey, thanks for joining me today on this quick test flight. I'm pretty encouraged by the test results. I'm excited to try it again. I've got some changes I'm going to make, and then I'm going to share a little bit more here in the future. And just wanted to give a little bit of a taste of what I'm working on and some of the things that I have going. If you find this stuff interesting, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. It really will help me out. And if you want to see more content like this, let me know. As always, just get out there and fly. Thanks for watching.